Here's how to make 3D text. First of all, create a new project and select the text tool and simply write your text and then click on OK. Select the selection tool and increase your text size just like this and align your text. Then click on OK. After that, click on this FX icon, select drop shadow. Here, select your drop shadow color and opacity give 5%, angle give 120 degree, and distance give 9 pixel, spread 1% and size 9 pixel, and then click on OK. Now make sure to select the text layer and press Ctrl T and press this up arrow key for once and then hit enter key, and then you have to press Ctrl Shift Alt T multiple times to duplicate the text layer and make the 3D text just like this. And here we have the 3D text. Now scroll up in this layer section. Here select the first text layer and then scroll down all the way to the bottom and hold down the shift key and click on the last text layer. This will select all of your text layers. Now press Ctrl G and all of your text layer will group just like this. Now select the group and click on this FX icon, select drop shadow, and here you can go ahead and increase drop shadow just like this and then click on OK. That's how you can actually create 3D text.